Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to fix drive where Windows is installed is locked UEFI mode. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicated the system partition type is GPT or UEFI. List part. Type create space, partition space, EFI. Type list part. Select your system partition. Type format space, FS equal to FAT32. Type assign space, letter equal to F. Type mkdir space, fcolan \EFI \. Type mkdir space, fcolan \EFI \Microsoft. Type cd space, /d space, fcolan \EFI \Microsoft. Type bootrec space, /fixboot, if any error use this command, bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type bcd boot space, Windows installed drive letter colan \Windows space, /s space, assigned letter colan space, /f space, all. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.